I'm Sabrisaran from the Men's Personal Finance team, and we are talking about money. A friend who was filing his tax for the first time recently came up to me to ask about the tax filing process. And the first thing I asked him was, do you have the Form 16 and Form 26 AS with you? He got flustered that his employer had only given him one form, that is Form 16, and nothing else. Well, wait. Before you jump the gun like my friend did, let me tell you that Form 26 AS is not something your employer gives you, and it is very different from Form 16. But what is it really, and why do you need it? Let me explain. Form 26 AS is an annual consolidated credit statement issued under Section 203AA of the Income Tax Act. It contains details of various taxes deducted on your income by deductors, be it your employer, bank, or even a tenant. It also contains details of any advance tax or self-assessment tax that you may have paid during the year. Apart from that, details of tax collected at source are also mentioned in this statement. It will also state details of any other tax refund received during the tax department during the relevant financial year. But why do you need this form? Well, as a taxpayer, you need to cross-check the Form 26 AS carefully to ascertain that the taxes deducted and the advance tax paid during the year match with the tax deposited as per the tax department's records. Besides cross-checking the data, you also need the form while filing your tax return. It contains consolidated details of your deductors and collectors, such as their names, tax deduction or collection account numbers, amount of income received, and tax deducted at source on them. These information are required to be mentioned in your ITR. So, how do you get hold of this form? No, your employer doesn't have this form. You can simply download Form 26 AS just by logging into your account on the Income Tax Department's e-filing website, which is www.incometaxindia.efiling.gov.in. Once you log in, click on View Form 26 AS Tax Credit tab either under My Accounts or Quick Links tabs. You will be redirected to the TDS CPC website to view the form. You need to choose the relevant assessment year for which you want to download the statement. Remember, if you're filing the returns for this financial year, that is FY 2018-19, then you will have to download Form 26 AS of assessment year 2019-20. Do cross-check all the details in your Form 26 AS and make sure there are no discrepancies. If you forget to disclose income for which tax has been deducted under Form 26 AS, you might end up getting an income tax notice under Section 143(1). That's all for today. Don't miss the next video in this Mint Money Tax Toolkit special.